C. Chino, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, summa cum laude. For the words of appreciation on behalf of the graduates.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. To our esteemed chairman, Attorney Augusto W. Go, our university president, Ms. Candice Gutchanoy, our vice chancellor for academic affairs, Dr. Yolanda C. Saison, deans, chairpersons, faculty, staff, honored guests, family, friends, and of course, my fellow graduates. Welcome and thank you for being here on this very important day. Standing here today feels surreal and nerve-wracking. Like many of you, I came to college with one simple goal: to pass. You might picture me constantly studying, nose in my notes day and night, but that wasn't always the case. Truthfully, studying often felt heavy, and at times, I avoided it just to feel free from the pressure. Yet here I am, delivering this speech, having overcome challenges, doubts, and fears, standing in this moment of hard-earned victory. As we stand on the edge of a new beginning, I am reminded of one of the greatest empires in human history, the Roman Empire, renowned for its power, innovation, and lasting impact on the world. It wasn't built overnight, and neither were we. This brought me to an old saying that always lingers and resonates in me. Rome was not built in one day. At first, it might sound simple, even obvious, but to me, it carries a much deeper and profound meaning. Greatness takes time, patience, and persistence. College was a Rome, a dream we once had, distant, overwhelming, and ambitious. And like Rome, it wasn't built for minutes, for hours. It wasn't built overnight. It took years of effort, mistakes, growth, and yes, survival. We built it one lecture, one paper, one exam at a time. We built it through long sleepless nights, empty coffee cups, endless deadlines, and seemingly never-ending reviews. Some days felt like victories, others felt like setbacks. But we kept going, we kept pushing, we kept dreaming. Dreams brought us here. The dream of earning a degree, building a better future, and making our families proud. But it was determination that carried us through the darkest times. And when motivation faded, discipline and passion kept us going. We stumbled, we learned, and we rose until, piece by piece, we built something truly remarkable. Let's not forget to thank those who helped us along the way. Our professors, to the legendary Mechanical Engineering Program Head and Chairperson, Dr. Rodel T. Naval. Thank you, sir, for bringing out the best in me. You are one of the reasons I broke out from my own predetermined limits and eventually achieved my dynamic form. Our mentors, to the Mechanical Engineering Quiz Bowl team head coach, Engineer Redendo Apa Jr., thank you for always motivating us, sir, to keep striving for more with your teachings and with your guidance. Our families, to my titos and titas, thank you very much. Your support is very much appreciated. And I would like also to take this moment to give my special thanks to my very supportive mother, who's always been guiding me since day one, and to my father, who hasn't been home since 2016. Amping kanunay tira pa. Because without the both of you, I wouldn't have gotten this far. Our friends, to my college buddies, Jobijen, Jeko, Joshua, Hermie, friends, Mark, June, Murphy, and others. Thank you for making our college journey worthwhile. And shout out also to Team Akshal. It's always fun sharing ideas and knowledge with you guys. And actually, our Emmy Board's top one here, Engineer Tejano, is also a member of the team. So thank you guys. And lastly, above all, to our Almighty God, who's been our constant and ultimate source of strength and hope. They were our scaffolding, holding us up when we weren't sure we could stand on our own. They were the cavalry, the army, defending and guarding us from the gloomy thoughts of surrendering and abandoning the fight to success and triumph. And they were the Romans, the catalysts and the lifeline of our persistent striving. After all, if it weren't because of them, Rome would not be standing, which means we won't be here today, savoring this very moment of our lives. So as we graduate today, let's remember that the next chapter, whether it's a career, more studies, or something unknown and uncharted, will also take time to build. Let's keep dreaming, keep pushing, and keep laying one brick at a time. Because we've done it once, and we can definitely do it again. And always remember that even though Rome has borders, its influence couldn't be changed and stopped. So are we. So congratulations, class of 2025. Our Rome is standing tall, and we're just getting started. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. John Lester C. Chino, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, summa cum laude. Once again, let's give him a big round of applause.